Christian Lawyers Fellowship of Nigeria, CLASFON, has recommended improved remuneration for judges as one of the incentives for a formidable judiciary system in Nigeria. Professor Yemi Akinseye George San, a member of CLASFON, made this known in Abuja at a two-day judiciary conference of the fellowship. The conference, organized by CLASFON's Directorate of Anti-Corruption, Rule of Law and Good Governance, in collaboration with FCT High Court, also highlighted the need to stem corruption in the judiciary.
The communique and the recommendations will be submitted formally, to the President, to be submitted to the Attorney General of the Federation, it will be submitted to the legislatures, as members of legislature. It will also be submitted to the media. Once we put it in the public domain, so that the members of the public can also say, there are recommendations that you should improve the working conditions of judges, pay judges better salary. Because judges are also human beings. They buy from the same market, send their children to school, they too go to hospital, and yet you're not paying them well, and you expect them to sit and work round the clock. And when they retire as judges, they cannot practice. They cannot practice their profession. So why do we make their lives difficult? You get my point? So we begin to say this. We have been saying this for a long time. Many people have been saying this, and I believe that one day, the change we are clamoring for will come.
The conference was with a theme promoting and strengthening of the Nigerian judiciary. Speaking also, Mr. Abdulrazak Yusuf, Chairman, Judiciary Union of Nigeria, Abuja branch, said their mandate was to interface with all stakeholders in the judiciary.
We're here for a summit organized by CLASFON, a stakeholder in Nigerian judiciary, and for a summit on the issue of corruption in Nigeria. As a stakeholder that have a large number of staff within the judiciary, we are also key to the issue of coping corruption in Nigeria by sensitizing our members. And with this kind of workshop, it will boost the morale of our members to see the danger of corruption and effect of corruption to the Nigerian society, most especially in judiciary, because judiciary is the last hope of the common man. If there is much corruption in judiciary, the common man will not have the basic requisite justice that is required in Nigeria. So it is a very important summit, and from the first session we have had a lot, and the message will pass across to our members, and definitely with this it will go a long way to reduce corruption in Nigeria. Our members work with the judges, the magistrates, the lawyers and the litigants. So we are key stakeholders in the judiciary sectors. The way we communicate and educate our members, we organize seminars within the ambit of JUSUN, we go on tour, we organize conferences, seminars, workshops, time to time, and we educate our members.
Similarly, Mr. Chidi Udekwe, member of the Nigerian Bar Association NBA Unit Bar, said the conference was good and would go a long way to change a lot of things.
CLASFON is there to bring to fore what is going on in the judiciary, because today you see that some jurists, some judges were awarded for integrity and all, and this goes to show that it is not all the judges, it is not everyone that are corrupt in the judiciary. 3, you will get to see some further partnerships, some further programs like this that will enlighten the society as to what CLASFON is doing, and lots more.
Speaking, Mrs. Beauty Lawrence Uwaokoye, Director of the association and the facilitator, said the directorate has created a help desk in the FCT court, which would be replicated in other courts.
This directorate has engaged with the judiciary over time, but with this summit of the All Stakeholders Judiciary Summit, we have now successfully launched the anti-corruption complaint desk, where members of the society, members of the public can approach the CLASFON Directorate of Anti-Corruption, Rule of Law and Good Governance and lay their petitions and complaints